Hello, I'm Christopher Beck, and this is my presentation for the assignment for Part 1. I have already entered in the inputs for my program, so I will just hit enter and start it running. It takes a little while, so I will start by walking you through my program. The training part comes first, where the program gets the number of documents, the total number of cases, the vocabulary, and then it sets an array of the actual class of each training case right here. There, my program is finished running. The overall accuracy is 99.5%, which means just a single class of the training classes was predicted wrong. Now moving on back to my program, it also gets the word distribution per case. The word distribution is the number of each word for each case. Word total down here is the total number of words in all documents for each case. Then we calculate the probability of the word given the case. Notice how I used a logarithm here during the calculation. This is in order to ensure that there's no underflow errors resulting in a lower accuracy. Then we move on to testing. Here we get the probability of each class from the training documents. It's the number of documents in each case divided by the total number of documents. Then we get the number of test documents, and we calculate the class probabilities for each document. It gets the word frequency of each word in a document and multiplies that by the calculated probability. No, by the word probability to sort of mimic adding up the probability of the word every time it shows up in a document. It's all added together into the class probability. Then, if this is for the first case, it sets it as a base case with the calculated probability equal to the probability of this case for this document. And then it updates the predicted class array to the initial class. Then, if this is not the initial class, it checks to see if the calculated probability of this class is larger than the previous class. If it is, the calculated probability is now the new recorded calculated probability, and the predicted class is updated to match. We get the actual classes by walking through the test classes file and updating the act class array to match the class number in that file. Accuracy is computed just by having the number of correct classifications, which is correct is incremented when act class is equal to predicted class, and correct is divided by the number of documents to get the accuracy. Then the output is printed to the screen, the variables are deleted, and the files are closed. Thank you for listening to my presentation.